This video is brought to you by Aura. In today's video, we're talking about 8 reasons as to why you should buy Tesla stock straight from the Tesla bull himself, Gary Black's Twitter account. We recommend you watch the whole video as some of these are going to surprise you. Tesla recently topped the list of the most valuable automotive brands in 2022. Seeing that the car company has recorded enormous growth this year despite tough market conditions, it's fair to say that Tesla is going to continue to maintain this spot in the years to come. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock. Tesla is rated as the leading EV producer in the market and the largest seller of battery electric vehicles. According to the company's latest financial reports, Tesla has a current revenue of about $67.16 billion. The automaker is constantly on the move to scale up profit margins, and now, stock investor and expert Gary Black has shared some reasons as to why he believes that Tesla can reach even bigger milestones in the next months. According to the stock investor, these are 8 reasons as to why you should buy Tesla stock today. Before we start though, if you like this type of content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Managing partner at the Future Fund, Gary Black, recently posted a tweet highlighting the different factors that he believes could help Tesla to record more earnings in the future. According to Black, if these factors and projects become materialized, Tesla could rake in enormous profit that could see its stock price reaching $550 in 6 to 12 months. So here are 8 factors listed by Gary Black. Number 1. Twitter hangover lift by October. Earlier this year, Musk announced plans to buy American social media platform Twitter for $44 billion. He actually proceeded to make the deal, which Twitter accepted. However, the Tesla CEO eventually backed out, alleging multiple breaches of the agreement, and this caused a huge number of reactions from analysis, as well as some even lowering their price targets for Tesla stock. Twitter eventually sued Elon Musk, and both parties are now headed to court for a 5-day trial in October. Musk has been called out multiple times following this deal, and it's led to a toll on the price of Tesla's stock. However, if it's eventually resolved in October, Tesla stock may eventually experience a massive boost. Number 2. Tesla's Q3 volume and EPS in October. According to Black, Tesla's expected Q3 earnings is one possible catalyst for its stock valuation. Tesla will report its third quarter vehicle deliveries during the first few days of October, and a lot of analysis and Tesla enthusiasts are looking forward to this. Tesla deliveries fell 18% sequentially in the second quarter of this year due to a temporary shutdown at the company's Shanghai factory early this year. But investors are hopeful of a sharp sequential growth in Tesla's Q3 earnings, as well as an impressive year-over-year growth. Although Tesla suffered a tough second quarter, there are reasons to believe that the car maker will record better values in the third quarter. Number 3 is the S&P grade rating in October. Why Gary thinks it will happen this month, and what it means for the stock price. Talking about prices, here's a special offer from our sponsor before we continue. This part of this video is sponsored by Aura. Are you over 25, male, and live in America? Well, according to YouTube Analytics, this is 70% of our audience. But since YouTube is very good at protecting your data, this is all we know about you. However, in today's ever-expanding internet space, your data isn't always safe. Do you know what the fastest growing crime in America is? It's identity theft. In 2020, over 49 million Americans were victims to identity theft, costing them a total of $56 billion. Imagine trying to log into your email only to see that your password's been changed and you're locked out. Then you start getting strange notifications from your bank and credit cards because all of your personal and sensitive information has been totally compromised. We were shocked when it happened to one of us a few years ago, and it took a lot of time and energy to resolve, but luckily we got there in the end. This is why we're excited to partner up with Aura, who's the sponsor of this video and also the official digital security sponsor of the Minnesota Timberwolves. Aura is the #1 identity theft and financial fraud security provider. It monitors the internet and the dark web and alerts you of any and all of your passwords and accounts that get breached. In addition, Aura allows you to set spending alerts, and it will also notify you of any suspicious transactions. This platform is up to 4 times faster than any of its competitors in alerting you if someone tries to open up a credit card or obtain a loan using your name. Aura is identity theft protection, fraud monitoring, a VPN, password management, and antivirus software, all combined into one easy-to-use app. You can try Aura free for 2 weeks today with no obligations, and see if you or your family's personal information has been compromised. Start your 14-day free trial at aura.com/Tesla. When you try Aura using the link in the description below, also know that you're supporting this small YouTube channel and helping us to pay for the production of these amazing videos. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you, and with that, let's get back to today's video. Number 3 is the S&P grade rating in October. Tesla was upgraded to BB+, one step below investment grade by the S&P last October. While this may seem like a not too bad rating, several Tesla bulls still believe that the automaker deserves a higher rating given that it's been delivering profits for more than 2 years straight and has built a cash position of over $18 billion while sitting on very little debt. Tesla is yet to reach an investment grade rating by the S&P, and this could be a disadvantage since large funds with a policy to invest only in companies with an investment grade rating may be discouraged to invest in Tesla. However, many analysts like Gary Black expect that this will not be for too long. Black predicts that Tesla is likely to have an upgrade on its credit rating by the S&P in October. Number 4 on the list is new gigafactories in the UK and North America. Earlier in August, Elon Musk hinted Tesla's plans to open up a new gigafactory. The car company has started ramping up production at its 2 new factories in Germany and Texas, and it is expected that these facilities will very soon start contributing materially to the company's production volume even for the second half of this year. Also, Tesla is recording increased car deliveries at its other factories, especially in Shanghai. Gary Black predicts that Tesla will build gigafactories in the UK and North America, possibly in the 4th quarter of 2022. Number 5 is Tesla's $10 billion buyback in December. Gary Black also highlighted in his tweet that Tesla's $10 billion buyback may happen in December. Following the company's struggle with the market challenges and economic headwinds, some analysts believe that a typical stock buyback may be the solution for Tesla. According to Chinese-American investor and business leader Leo Kogan, Tesla stock is currently undervalued and the dip may be an opportunity for the company to buy back its shares, adding that this will give Tesla enormous growth potential and will also boost the dipping stock price. Number 6. FSD beta release in the 4th quarter. Coupled with the increasing number of gigafactories, the car company has also been constantly updating its FSD software for its EVs. In this tweet, Black stated that Tesla will release more FSD beta updates in the 4th quarter of 2022, although Tesla's been rather cautious about the rollout of this software since it is yet to reach the point where it is no longer a potential danger on public roads. The automaker is gradually increasing these numbers. In September, Tesla expanded its FSD beta program, adding about 60,000 additional owners, taking the number of people on the FSD beta program to 160,000. Number 7 is the Cybertruck launch, mid-2023. With more updates on the way for Tesla's FSD software, its Cybertruck may be getting closer to its release date. In July, Musk confirmed that Tesla plans to launch its Cybertruck in mid-2023. The Tesla CEO stated that the company is still expecting to be in production with the Cybertruck in the middle of next year, adding that he's very excited that the production might turn out to be Tesla's best product ever. And finally, number 8, $30,000 EV launch mid-2024. Gary Black added that the possible launch of a $30,000 electric vehicle in 2024 is one reason why the stock will likely be worth $550 in the coming months. Tesla's stock price has seen a series of upward and downward trends, and recently dropped following the recent hike in interest rates by the Federal Reserve. But with better sales and profit margin, the stock will likely perform better in the future. If you've watched this entire video, well done. What did you think about Gary Black's prediction on Tesla? Can Tesla stock reach $550 in 6 to 12 months? Let us know down below. If you'd like to know more about what Tesla's been up to in the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.